and welcome to this amazing session with me, your master teacher at Vedantu, Shubham Ma'am. So the idea of making this video came from the fact that when I was a child, when I was in school, I had a hard time making friends. So I thought there would definitely be some of my students out there who would be facing the same problem. So if you are one of them, even if you're not one of them, this video is for you. Okay, how to win people and make friends. Point number one, how to you have to smile more. So whenever you are speaking to somebody, I know it does sound like a cliche thing, but smile more and pay attention. Not just pretend to pay attention, but pay attention in real. Okay, communication needs attention, and that's the first key of having a good impression on somebody. No matter you're talking to a friend or a colleague or a classmate or the principal of the school or your relatives, please pay attention. Point number two, take name while taking. Now, this might come as a shock because we people, we are all conditioned in a way that whenever we are talking to elders, we have to call them uncle or auntie or, didi or bhaiya or some sort of names, right? But no, the name is the identity of the person, not the surname, not the salutation. So please make it a habit of taking a name. Even if you are talking to an uncle or an auntie, take the name also, like Asha auntie or Sunil uncle. Okay, and when you put their name in a sentence, they automatically pay more attention to what you speak. Okay, so that's your trick number two. Trick number three, listen sincerely. Now, I know a lot of people in the world, actually, most of the people in the world, they just, talk to reply back. Don't do that. Make it a habit. Now, this is the age in which you can make a habit which will go long way, right? So make it a habit कि आप अच्छे से सुन रहे हो, you are actually listening the other person. You're not just, talking to them to have a comeback, बल्कि आप सुन रहे हो. And that would lead to a good communication. Point number four, ask question instead of giving orders. Now, I can't stress more upon this fact. जब भी आपको लगता है कि अपनी बात मनवानी है, if you want to convince somebody for something, if you want to manipulate somebody for something, please start asking questions. For example, let's say you have to ask your father for extra pocket money. So don't ask कि मेरे को extra pocket money चाहिए, I want more pocket money. Just ask a question that do you think it is okay if I get some extra pocket money this month? And that will give the ball in the other court, and they will have the authority to decide. They will feel more important and you will be more hurt. I'm telling you, this is a very good psychological trick. Okay, next point. Appreciate a good thought or a point. No matter how much you hate the other person, hate is a very strong word. No matter how much you dislike the other person or don't want to listen to them, if you are talking to them, if you're communicating to them, and if they are making a valid point, कोई अच्छा point बता रहे हैं या कोई अच्छा thought process आपको reflect हो रहा है conversation से, then do appreciate. Right? Grudges are not supposed to be in a communication. अगर कुछ अच्छा पॉइंट है अप्रिशिएट, बुरा पॉइंट है यू कैन बी ओपिनियटेड, नो प्रॉब्लम इन दैट. ओके, next point, don't just talk about yourself. Communication is a two-way process. I can't tell you, I have lost so many friends. Not lost, actually, I have stopped talking to so many people in my life only because when I used to talk to them, everything used to be about them. Don't do that. When you're talking to somebody, when you're communicating, when you're having a conversation, two people are involved, at least two people are involved, and they both should have equal importance. दोनों की बातें होनी चाहिए, ये नहीं कि एक रैंट कर रहे हैं और दूसरा सिर्फ सुन रहा है. So communication is always a two-way process. Cool. Next point. If you're wrong, admit it quickly and empathetically. No problem in it. Maybe you thought you are going to be right about something, but in a conversation, you found out that you were actually wrong, or maybe slightly wrong, or maybe just slightly different. You had a different point of view. No problem in that. Accept it. Acceptance is the key to confidence. Accept whenever you are wrong, no matter with your friends, family, relatives, or outside world. Cool. Next point, encourage people to share things with you. Now, I see a lot of people who are good communicators, but yet it is very difficult to share things with them. So you have to understand that has to be a comfort level in a conversation. अगर वो comfort level नहीं है, so people would only talk to you, they would never share things with you. And if you want to make friends, real friends, sharing has to be there. Sharing of emotions, feelings, thoughts, right? So always encourage. Maybe start with yourself. You share something that you always wanted to, so that the other person also feels comfortable in sharing their side, right? Okay, last but not the least, if you don't want to have an argument with somebody, don't have it. As simple as that. Best way to avoid an argument is not to have it. बहुत ट्राई किया करो कि बिना आर्ग्यूमेंट के ही कोई चीज सॉल्व हो जाए. अगर आपको लगता है a lot of negativity has been accumulated around you, just stay away from that person or situation, or at least for the time being, so that a conflict doesn't arise, an argument doesn't arise. Now, I would always say keep this point in mind if you want to impress somebody, influence anybody, but at the same time, think about yourself first. I know selfishness, it is called as selfishness, but I am telling you it's not selfishness. Keeping yourself above other things or keeping yourself ahead of others is not selfish. You have to think about yourself, nobody else will do that for you. Okay? On that note, I will see you next time with an amazing video. Don't forget to like the video if you think that these points are valuable to you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel also. Bye bye. Take care.